Hey guys, welcome back. So in this session we are going to learn about how to insert images in Excel. So let's get started. So many times you have data over here and you want some images to be displayed, let's say your logo or anything related to that. So what is it that you need to do? If you want to insert any images, you just need to, okay, I will just delete everything from here. So if you want to insert any image, what you need to do is just go to insert tab, click on pictures and select your favorite pictures from here. Okay, so let's say you want this picture over here. Okay, you can just click on this picture, and then let's say you want this for this dimensions to be changed. You want it bigger or smaller, you can always change it. If you notice over here, this format tab over here gets enabled once you insert an image. So if you can see, you can play with this image with different dimensions, color combinations and corrections. So we will go into deep part in a different video for this. However, if you want to insert something else, like if you want to insert online pictures, you can click on it and insert online pictures. If you want to insert images, we can surely use this. If you want to insert a smart graphic, yes, this is visually sort of grammatic diagrams sort of. You can always use this, and then you can use this screenshot. So it will take screenshots of all the uh, tabs open. Okay, so these are different ways wherein you can always use. So let's say any of your you have something on clipboard, you can use print screen and just paste it inside and it will get pasted. Okay, so these are different ways wherein you can always use insert command to insert the uh, pictures. Okay, so now let's say you want to insert some images, or let's say you want to insert some shapes. So what you need to do is just click on this button. Okay, and then if you press shift and then move over this, then it will give you some perfect shapes. Okay, however, if you just drag and drop it, then it will give you sort of uh, shapes which you want actually. Okay, so hello, this this is Vikas. Okay, so you can always change this font, and you can see over here, you can see the changes shown over here in the preview box. Okay, so let's say you want to shift the file, you can always change this, and you can change the font also. I will change it to 36, not 36, 28, and I will make it bold. Then I will change the color also. Okay, so you can do different things over here. And let's say you want to create an arrow over here, you want to highlight uh, this data over here, why this is so low. You can always create an arrow button over here. Let's say this one or this one or this one, anyone. Okay, so I will create an arrow button over here and ask why. So I will make this bit darker and insert one more command over here, and I can ask here why is this sales so low. Okay, similarly you can, so these are different ways wherein you can insert different types of shapes also. So now let's say you want to insert a chart. Okay, so you can take on any of these charts. There are different types of chart. So you have organization chart, you have process chart, then you have hierarchy chart. So let's say you are taking this hierarchy chart. Okay, of your organization, I will select the first one. Okay, so it will directly create this chart. So let's say I will create a company. So first is board of directors. Okay, so I will just type BOA, then I will type CEO, then CIO, then sales manager, then purchase manager. Okay, and now let's say I just type it purchase. Okay, so now let's say you want one more hierarchy below sales, then you can right click over here, add shape below. Then it will create a one more box over here, and you can this use this also. So now once this is created, you see this design option over here, you get this design option over here automatically. Once this is created, you can use different kinds of shapes, different kinds of colors to represent. There are more colors also. So these are different ways. When let's say you have you make up your mind and you want to change this, you can always change this also. Okay, so these are different ways wherein you can always use different scenarios to insert shapes, insert pictures, and so on. So that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.